kitty.
Let me get behind you. Daddy really did something.
Where's the duck? Show me the duck.
Wait. Where's the duck, Mikayla? Where's the duck? You ready to get out?
Hello? Hello?
I got you now.
Hey, Mikayla. Hello. You blow kisses? You blow kisses?
Say bye.
Bye-bye. This is also her new toy. Dad, if you're listening to this, you need to come up with the pieces and put something like this together. Make a lot of money off of it. It's kind of neat. There's a little spinny thing over here. On the side it has these little things that go like that. And I think that's called an abacus. C is for cat. And you got that thing. It's a pretty neat little thing.